Hello everyone, this video is about sine rule, cos rule, and the sandwich rule or the area rule. So here we draw a line to help us, and it's a right angle here. So we have this kind of triangle and this kind of triangle. From here and here we have the triangles, and using the definition of sine and cos, this is actually b sine alpha, and this is b cos, of course. And using this definition, this is a sine beta, and this is of course a cos. So we're talking about the same thing here. Let's call it the height of the triangle. Well, this is the height of the triangle, also the height of the triangle, which means we have a sine beta is equal to b sine alpha, or in other words, we have a over b equals sine alpha over sine beta. And if we do the same thing, but this time we are drawing the altitude line here, right angle, we'll get the same kind of relationship for gamma and beta. So the formula or the sine rule is sine alpha compared to the a is equal to sine beta compared to b equals sine gamma equal compared to c. So it's always the opposite side, the angle, the opposite side, alpha a, beta b, and so on. Cos rule. Okay, we do the same thing here. We have this helping line, and if that's b, this must be b sine alpha. This must be b cos alpha, and then we have in the smaller triangle here, we have this is c, the whole thing is c, but this part is b cos. So of course this would be a c minus a b cos. Yep, and yeah, this is still b sine. So now using the Pythagorean theorem, we know that this squared plus this squared equals a squared. So if we square b sine theta, we get b squared sine squared theta, and if we square this, we get c squared minus 2bc cos plus b squared cos squared, and this is equal to a squared. Now b squared sine squared plus b squared cos squared is the same as b squared times sine squared plus cos squared. We factor out the b squared, which is simply 1. So that's why, okay, I'm just rewriting this part, and it's still equal to this. Alright, so since this is 1, the formula becomes b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cosine alpha. So this is the cos rule. To find a, we can use a b squared plus c squared minus 2 times b times c cos alpha, the angle opposite the side we want to find. So that's how we use the cos rule. Sandwich rule, the area rule. So we have BC. Let's again use this helping line right angle. So here we have a b sine, and this is a b cos, and yeah, we don't need the b cos. Now if we want to find the triangle, we just need the height, which is equal to b sine. So the area is therefore the base, which is c, times the height, which is h, which is b sine, divided by 2. Base times height over 2. So that's why the formula is bc sine alpha over 2, or 1/2 bc sine alpha. So it's called the sandwich rule because, you know, the b and c and alpha is like a sandwich. And the last formula is to find the segment area here. So the area of the segment is equal to the area of the whole sector minus the area of the triangle. The area of the sector is 1/2 theta r squared. That's the formula in MF19. And the area of this triangle, well, because let's say the angle is theta here, right? Theta, the angle is theta, the angle is theta, because it's part of a circle. So this is r, this is r, this is r, this is r, r. Now the area of this triangle would be, using the sandwich rule, 1/2 times BC, in this case r times r, so r squared, times sine the angle. So the segment area, the yellow area, is equal to, yeah, we can simplify if you want to, 1/2 r squared times theta minus sine theta. Right, that's it. I'll see you again next time.